Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font in TradingView. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Now you need to go to the chart section. You can open the charts of any stock. Here you can see the chart icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Now that you're in the charts page, you need to go to the chart settings. Here you can see the three dots icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. If you scroll down, here you can see the chart settings option. Tap on it. From the settings menu, choose canvas. In the canvas page, here you can see in the scale section, there is a text option. You can choose the color of your text and the size. So, in order to change the font, you can tap on this drop down beside text. It will let you choose the size of the font. If you want bigger fonts, then you can choose higher number. If you want smaller fonts, then you should choose smaller number. So for now, I'll select 20. Once you're done selecting the font size, tap on OK. And now you can notice the font size has been changed. If you want it more bigger, then you can do so with the same process. So that's how you can change the font in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.